Jesus' message of peace, love, service, and compassion touched many lives then, and it continues to guide and inspire us today. That same message is the one I wish to share with you this Christmas. Through their selfless sacrifice, God our Creator and His Son Jesus Christ revealed the true meaning of peace and goodwill toward all humanity. This is a peace that is not merely the absence of conflict, but one rooted in justice, forgiveness, and love for one another. Individually, as families, and as members of our koro, our settlements, towns, and suburbs, may we strive to emulate this life of selfless sacrifice, a life that puts others first before ourselves, showing compassion, care, and understanding in all that we do.